Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I am making chocolate brownies. Everyone loves a good fudgy brownie, and with this recipe guarantees that you will never go back to a boxed brownie mix. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, and you're going to whisk until fully combined. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Now add 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you're going to continue to whisk. Then you're going to sift in 1 cup of flour. Then you're going to sift in 1 cup of cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of salt. It's important to sift these ingredients, especially the cocoa powder, because the cocoa tends to be lumpy. So sifting is a nice way to make sure there are no lumps. Now you're going to gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until fully combined. Now fold in 1 cup of chocolate semi-sweet chunks. So now I am going to prepare my pan. I'm using a 9x9 square pan. If you want your brownies to come out a little bit thicker, you can always use an 8x8 pan. And then you're just going to cut out a piece of parchment paper. All I did was place it over to help guide me, and you just cut each edge and then give it a quick fold, and it's going to look something like this. And then you're just going to place it in your pan. Like this. Push it down, and it's ready for the mixture to be poured in. And then top it off with some more chocolate. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 23 minutes. I like to bake my brownies on the top rack in the oven. I find the middle rack cooks them a lot faster, slightly burns them on the top, and then dries them out. Now the secret to making the best fudgy brownies lies into the toothpick test. You know when the brownies are done when the toothpick comes out with gooey and moist crumbs. And if the toothpick comes out with a liquid batter, it's not done. And if it comes out plain, it's overbaked. So after letting the brownies cool, they are fully set, and you can remove them from your pan. The parchment paper makes it really easy to remove, and they don't stick to your pan. If you want the brownies of your dreams, definitely try this recipe. Me and my husband have been dying to dig into these, so I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye! Before you guys go, if you want to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!